Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Epson XP 600 series printer, and now I'm going to show you how to change the inks here in this printer. So, firstly, of course, we need to open the screen cover. Then, we need to open the ink sleeve. To do it, you need to open not the scanner, but open the printer's cover. So as you can see here on the left side of the printer, we have the place to open the whole cover. Great. So open the whole cover, and as you can see, now we have the problem that all our inks are here and we can't open the this ink tray to open to press and to push on these blue buttons. So how to do it? What we can do here? So you just need to open you just need in your main menu scroll right and find your maintenance. Click OK, scroll down and find your ink cartridge replacement. Click OK, and click on the Start button. Great, as you can see, cartridges are placed in the place where we have the access to these blue buttons to replace our inks. So for example, if you want to replace cyan, so your blue cartridge, just press on your blue button, and here as you can see we have our Epson ink. And if you want to replace it to the new, so just take new cartridge, insert here, insert in this place, and press on it until you will hear the click sound. And great. Now just close the cover, click Start, wait a while. That's great, that's it. So as you can see, I have an error because I am not changed the cartridges, I am not changed the black, and I am not changed the cyan, so blue color. So in this way this printer wants to change the cartridges, but I have no new cartridges for this printer, so I will not show you how to do it with new cartridges, but you need to repeat my actions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.